Hello everyone, it's good to see you here, and today we will talk about Initia Airdrop. And this is a free testnet airdrop, so without wasting any of your time, let's get into the video. So this is the airdrop I'm talking about, and they recently announced their public testnet, and we are going to perform the task on their public testnet in order to earn the different XP points and convert them and use them in order to earn the airdrop. So for this, just simply open up the official website. Then you would be able to find this launch app icon at the right hand side corner at the top. Simply click on it and it will take you over here. Now connect your Kepler wallet over here. In case if you are new to Kepler wallet and want to know how to use Kepler wallet, you can check out our detailed guide on Kepler wallet on our channel itself. Just simply hit the playlist and there you would be able to find the Kepler wallet playlist. Now after connecting your Kepler wallet with this particular platform, you won't be able to see the Initia over here. So for that, just simply click on this option of this three lines, then select the option of manage chain visibility, and this is where it will take you. Now over here, search for Initia and select it, then save it up and it will appear in your Kepler wallet after that. Now let's get back, and here first of all we would require some funds in our Initia chain. So for that, we will just simply click on faucet and open it up. Now here we need to prove that we are a human, so simply take this box. Now it will ask you different puzzles. Just solve these puzzles in order to prove that you are a human to a robot. After proving that you are a human, also prove that you are not a robot. And after you are a verified human, you need to put your wallet address, and for that just simply hit your Kepler wallet, then search for Initia over here, or simply click on deposit, then search for Initia, and here you would get your wallet address. Simply copy it and paste it over on your wallet. Now simply click on this option of submit and wait for it. And since there is a huge amount of traffic on Initia chain due to this airdrop or this public testnet, the funds might take a little while before they get into your wallet. So just have patience while doing these tasks. After you get your funds on Initia, just simply click on this option of earn XP, and you would be requiring to earn different XPs over here. And over here, as soon as you receive the funds from your faucet, the first task will be over and you would get an NFT for it. For the second task, you would have to simply click on it and purchase a username for you. And you would be requiring some funds for it. Since we got the faucet funds, it would be easier for us to mint a username for us. And this way you would be requiring to complete all these 6 tasks. But on the third task, make sure that you not just swap with just one USDC, just do it for Ethereum and TIA as well. So it would require you 3 Initia tokens in order to complete this particular task. After that, in the fourth task, you would require to stake your Initia token with a validator. Just do it with any random validator out there, as it doesn't matter, it is on the testnet. And after that, you need to stake LP with a validator. Just do it with any random validator as well over here. And after that, in the 6th task, you would require to claim your staking rewards. And for completing each of these tasks, you would be getting an NFT, basically a part of this Jenny NFT, a baby one. And after you complete all these tasks, you would be getting a complete picture of this Jenny, and you would have to mint that up. And after minting that, you would have to feed that particular Jenny. And to feed that Jenny baby, you would require XP points. And there are different ways to earn XP, like inviting people. And I will also be providing a code in the description. You can utilize that code in order to earn extra XP and feed your Jenny baby. So in every 5 days, you would have to come over to this platform and maintain that particular baby. Though you don't have any babies in real life, but in crypto world, you would have to do so in order to earn the rewards. And it is completely fine if some of these tasks are taking too long, because this is how it all happens on crypto, as the crowd comes onto these platforms and there is a huge amount of traffic. So you might also face problems while swapping or staking. So it is completely fine, just be patient and complete the task. So I hope you earn good from this particular airdrop, and see you in the next video. As soon as I stopped recording this video, I got this option, and this basically means that I got the funds in my faucet or from my faucet. So just simply click on this option of mint, then approve this particular transaction, and it would require some transaction fees that we just got from the faucet, and it would give us the first mint. Let's wait for a while. So this is how you would be getting the XP. And I just wanted to show you that this is how it will work out. Now let's purchase the username. Let's check out whether it is available or not. Let's select Kepler wallet and connect it, and it would ask you to register. After that, just simply approve this and approve. All the fees is paid in Initia tokens and we have it. After it is complete, just get back and here you can mint one more NFT. Now you know exactly how this will work. See you in the next video.